don't care what anyone else says, but you have to take care of your body. And more specifically, in this case, your skin. Because this is the first thing people will see when they look at you. Unless you're an Instagram model in which the first thing you see is your ass. But even with that, just imagine you gotta take care of the skin on your ass. But seriously though, you really have to take good care of your skin. And everybody's skin is different. Different amounts of oils, different amounts of pigmentation, and along with that comes with different issues. So we have to find the right skincare that works for us. With everyone having different skin issues, mine is going to be post-acne marks. I've dealt with acne ever since I was probably in high school, and it goes in and out in phases. Like I'll have a phase where there's like no acne on my face, but then I'll go through a phase in which acne just pops up. And then especially those times when I get a gig, especially like a last minute gig with like 2 or 3 days, I don't know if it's adrenaline, I don't know if it's anxious or whatever, but I start to break out. So my focus is trying to get my skin under control consistently. Not too long ago, I was in the store and I happened to stumble upon a kit by Shea Moisture. Now, I know that name sounds familiar because Shea Moisture is pretty huge in hair care, especially dealing with African American hair. I actually have something from Shea Moisture right here. So that's the brand right there, Shea Moisture. And this is for like the curl enhancing smoothie, so I can get those like curls in my hair, 50-50. 50 natural, 50 enhanced Shea Moisture. So yeah, boom, bam, ooh, yeah. And so I found out that they provided skin care sets, like a skin care regimen, or in this case, a system. So I stumbled upon this guy right here. I've been waiting for a long time to actually try this out. So it's actually the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial System. Now under here it says this is with tamarind extract and tea tree oil for blemish prone skin. So actually I don't even know what blemish is. Let me see if I can find out the definition of blemish very quickly. Hold on, I'll be right back. So yeah, I am looking forward to this clarifying facial system from Shea Moisture that includes African Black Soap. So this is the box that it comes in. I think it's around $15 to $20, $25 depending on what retailer is selling it. It's the box that comes in. Right here is a list of things that's on the inside. You got your bar soap, you got your facial wash, you have your moisturizer, and you have your clarifying mud mask. Some facts about each product on the back right here, and also a list of things that it includes and what it does not include. And that's the bottom of the box. So let's see what's inside Shea Moisture Clarifying Facial System box. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna open up the box right here. First thing you see when you open up the box, it's going to be that Shea Moisture African Black Soap along with the clarifying facial wash scrub. So I'm just unboxing for this video. I'm actually not going to try it out for you guys. I'm just going to try it on my own to see what it's like. And let's do a little, well, it's already sealed, so that way you know it's new. Take the seal off because it's mine now. And look, it's another seal. It's very convenient. Yeah. Let's see if I can. All right, so this is what it looks like. Just doing a small, it has like black beads in it. I'm not sure if it's washed out with the lighting or whatever, but yeah, so this is gonna be a daily wash right here. This is the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash, part of the system by Shea Moisturizer. Let's go, okay. The Clarifying Facial System. I keep forgetting the name, that's horrible. So next thing in the Clarifying Facial System is going to be the African Black Soap. Now this is not new to me. I've actually used this before, separate outside the box, and I just love the smell of this one. There's plenty of African Black soaps that I use. I go back and forth every time I run out of it, but I always look forward to getting this one because the smell is refreshing. There's many benefits of using African Black soap. So even through the wrapper, it smells amazing. Next thing I'm pulling out is going to be the Balancing Moisturizer. Now I'm looking at the top, it says with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. And we're gonna open up the cap right here. Hopefully it's, yep, good, boom. That's how you know it's new. And never been used. And it's white, so it's being washed out. Looks like that's pretty cool. All right, focus. This one has an interesting smell to it. I don't know, it kind of looks like glue. It's so washed out, you know. It's pretty, it looks very thick, but oh, it is thick, it's lighter. I'm thinking it's gonna be softer. I'm actually rubbing it, but yeah. And the last thing in the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial System, yeah, got it right, is going to be the Clarifying Mud Mask. So I take it this is going to be a mask with mud. Actually, I'm gonna be real with you all. I've never done a mask before. So this is gonna be a first thing for me. And let's see what it looks like. And I can see already on the outside, it's gray. It's not as, it's not white like the moisturizer. And cap is on, and boom, there it is. Now I'm pretty sure this is thick right here. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. And yeah, there you have it, the Clarifying Mud Mask, the fourth thing in the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial System. So there you have it, beautiful people. Unbox this, the Clarifying Facial System. This is gonna be my new skin regimen for the next few weeks until I run out, and I'm gonna take a before and after picture to show you the results. So right now, this is what my skin looks like before, and we'll see how it looks afterwards. Of course, you know, other factors factor into it. They're just the amount of sunlight I'm getting or what I'm eating will have a determining factor if I break out, if I decide to shave or not. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. So that's what's in the box. So it's up to you to try this. Try it at your own discretion or your own interest. And if you have tried this before, let me know what you think. I want to hear what worked for you, what didn't work for you, what could improve with this product by Shea Moisture. Like I said, it's a famous hair care brand. So now they're doing more skin stuff. So I'm excited to see this, what's going on. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this. And until we meet again, safe travels.